Oh my gosh, he's going to cook. So we have an air fryer. We have some Trader Joe's Naan. Naan. We've got some pizza sauce. We got some shredded cheese. We got some meat. Let's make something. This is very garlicky, by the way. So, it would work better with mozzarella cheese. I don't have mozzarella, but this works. It'd work better with pepperoni, but this works. So I'm gonna air fry it for about, let's try 6 minutes. The crust does really good at 7 to 8 minutes, but the cheese gets burnt, so I'm gonna try 6. What temperature, you ask? Let's use 350. Perfect. I could have distributed the cheese a little better, but it's okay. It's gonna be good. So, 350 degrees, 6 minutes with the Mexican style cheese, which is good on tacos and burritos, since I didn't have mozzarella. And I'm hungry now. And I think I might try some spinach on the next one. Ooh. Also, this is with the frozen Naan. Adjust temperatures accordingly if you're using the non-frozen variety. So, that's it. Thanks for watching. I'm hungry. I'm gonna eat. See you next time. Bye!